welcome back. I know you might be surprised because the slide behind me says welcome to the in-person part of the course, and yet here we are watching a video. Rest assured, we're filming this because maybe you need to watch it at home, but also you might be, who knows what's going on. Anyway, we're so glad you're here. What are we looking to accomplish in this particular part of the class? We are looking to revisit the lighting script because you may remember where we started is not where we want to end. We've only so far figured out how to talk to the lights. We need to also hear from the lights so we can provide real feedback. We also are going to talk about a few other things that a few additional topics that we need to cover. And then lastly, we are going to cover the idea of adding the PTZ presets with the text controller to our design.
So if you are actually a Q-SYS instructor who's watching these videos to get trained on how to deliver this in-classroom curriculum, the biggest difference between what you see in these sections of videos and what we would hope that you can do live is that live, you should really be guiding the conversation with the students at all times, having them answer as many questions as possible. It should be a very collaborative experience with the students. Whereas when we're teaching it here on video, obviously we can't interact with you. Jeff will do as much as he can to interact with me, and I will pose sort of as a proxy student. But just keep that in mind as you're watching these. The live class really should be a conversation. At this point, that's the point of it being a live class, whereas all the videos up to this point is one-directional communication, right? Which is what we're about to fix with our lighting controller. All right, so let's dive in.
Right, and to tag on, remember, as a trainer, our job is to teach them why. We want them to be thinking, why are we doing what we're doing? Not just how to do things. And part of the way that you can accomplish that is by asking good questions and taking the time to let them help lead you along. Because by now, they ought to have a good basis and should have some good ideas. And hopefully, they're well rested and ready to proceed.
And it's okay if they get the answers wrong too. Let them lead you down the wrong path, and then you can find out why that didn't work too. Don't force them down the one answer that you know you want them to go to. Let it be a path that goes like this until they find the right way.
That's right. So with that, we are ready to go.